The steel dragon of Madripoor, a turbulent island of extremes, hummed with opportunities hidden amidst its chaos. Its skyline blended cyberpunk opulence with dystopian shadows, a juxtaposition that embodied the daring venture Titan Robotics sought to undertake. The startup had its sights on a seemingly unremarkable factory at the edge of Buccaneer Bay, but nothing in Madripoor was ever as simple as it appeared. The beginning, a calculated leap. Titan Robotics, helmed by visionary CEO Arjun Malhotra, had emerged from Roboworld City with ambitions to revolutionize humanoid robotics. After evaluating their existing property 995 Telerobotics Rd, a 4,136 square foot facility, they decided Madripoor offered exponential potential. With its 95% occupancy rate, 18% operating expense ratio, OR, and a 12% internal rate of return, IRR, the Roboworld property was profitable. However, the prospect of acquiring the legendary Reaver's Universal Robotics factory in Madripoor promised far greater rewards. The data painted a lucrative picture. Net operating income, NOI, projected to double in Madripoor's burgeoning market. Market rent versus in-place rent, a discrepancy favoring modernization, with rents expected to surge. Replacement costs, drastically reduced due to Madripoor's black market trade channels. Debt service coverage ratio, DSCR, stable at 1.25, indicating manageable debt obligations. Cash-on-cash return, a tantalizing 9% with the potential to skyrocket. Hightown's tech elite had already begun recognizing the island's potential, but Titan Robotics wanted to pioneer the humanoid robotics niche. Securing the Reaver's Universal Robotics factory would cement their dominance. The factory's owner, Donald Pierce, was a ruthless businessman with a notorious reputation. Though the factory was listed at a fair capitalization rate of 10%, the negotiation would not hinge on spreadsheets alone. Pierce demanded an unorthodox deal. Titan Robotics must not only match the financial valuation but also prove their operational mettle in Madripoor's cutthroat environment. Arjun was undeterred. Titan Robotics assembled its A-team, Sophia Torms, a brilliant operations lead who specialized in high-efficiency automation. Jackson Wu, the CFO who had orchestrated multi-million-dollar deals in Silicon Valley. Dr. Nia Patel, an AI prodigy whose work on embodied intelligence rivaled the best in the industry. Their first challenge was to ensure the factory's metrics aligned with projections. A property condition assessment, PCA, revealed the structure was good, but upgrades were needed to meet Titan's standards. The replacement cost of $1.8 million was a manageable hurdle if they could tap into Madripoor's black market suppliers for discounts. Twists in Lowtown. As the team prepared to finalize the acquisition, Pierce introduced a twist. The factory had hidden ties to Madripoor's criminal underworld. The Royal Palace had long turned a blind eye to Pierce's dealings, but Titan Robotics would need to prove their neutrality or face consequences. Sophia, navigating the murky waters of Lowtown, discovered that the factory's market vacancy rate of 5% masked its history as a hub for illegal weaponized robotics. The revelation threatened to derail the deal. Meanwhile, Jackson and Nia faced challenges securing financing. The loan-to-value ratio, LTV, was capped at 75%, leaving Titan Robotics scrambling to secure additional funding. A breakthrough in Hightown. The turning point came at a Sovereign Hotel Gala, where Arjun presented their vision to Madripoor's elite, including Tiger, the island's most influential figure. Using predictive models, Nia demonstrated how humanoid robotics could revolutionize the local economy, particularly in areas like healthcare and urban management. The promise of boosting Madripoor's effective gross income, IG, resonated with Tiger, who offered a rare endorsement. Tiger's backing led to a power broker score upgrade from 3 to 4 stars, enhancing Titan Robotics' credibility. It also secured vital support from Hightown investors, bridging the financing gap and ensuring Titan could meet Pierce's demands. The plot twist, the dragon stirs. As the deal reached its final stages, a shocking revelation emerged. Beneath the factory lay remnants of the dragon Madripoor was built upon. Pierce had withheld this information, knowing its implications. Legends spoke of the dragon's energy as a source of untapped power, and factions across Madripoor were vying for control. Suddenly, the acquisition became more than a business deal. It was a battle for Madripoor's future. Rival tech firms, criminal syndicates, and even rogue AI factions surfaced, all aiming to claim the factory's secrets. Arjun and his team had to act swiftly. Leveraging Titan Robotics' cutting-edge AI, Nia decrypted ancient schematics hidden in the factory's systems. They revealed a network of geothermal energy nodes that could power the entire island sustainably, offering Madripoor an unprecedented technological edge. The climax, unity through innovation. Titan Robotics proposed a bold solution: transform the factory into a humanoid robotics innovation hub, ensuring shared access to the dragon's energy. Tiger mediated a tense negotiation with rival factions, ultimately convincing them that Titan's vision would elevate Madripoor as a global tech epicenter. Pierce, realizing he had underestimated Arjun, reluctantly agreed to finalize the deal under these terms. The outcome, a new Madripoor. Through ingenuity, diplomacy, and cutting-edge technology, Titan Robotics not only secured the factory but also ignited a robotics renaissance in Madripoor. Neo-Kraken Bay became the world's leading hub for humanoid robotics, blending advanced AI, urban innovation, and bold political reforms. The factory's net operating income, NOI, soared, and Madripoor's market vacancy rate plummeted as global firms flocked to the island. The once chaotic principality began transforming into a futuristic powerhouse. The legacy, shadows and promises Titan Robotics' triumph inspired a wave of innovation, but Madripoor's darker forces remained. As new alliances formed, whispers of rebellion stirred in Lowtown. The dragon's energy had awakened more than just technology. It had unearthed the ambitions of Madripoor's most dangerous players, setting the stage for the next chapter of this high-tech saga. And in the heart of Neo-Kraken Bay, Titan Robotics stood ready, knowing the adventure had only just begun.